These tracks are fresh, but they split off in opposite directions. Illidan must be getting help from someone.
Your orders, mistress.
You Watchers split up into two parties. Scour the woods. Find what you can. We'll meet you further up the coast. Remember, sisters, if you find Illidan, do not attempt to take him without the rest of us. He is far too dangerous to tackle alone.
Yes, mistress.
The rest of you, follow me. We must hurry. The hunt awaits. I will finish the hunt.
That village has been razed.
I can wait no longer. Now is the time.
The bodies have been mutilated. Do you suppose demons did this?
Illidan's stench hangs heavily over this place. But those tracks were not made by any demons I know of. Be wary, my sisters. There's no telling what horrors Illidan has called to his side. We're wasting time here. Illidan is out there somewhere. The end draws near. I can wait no longer. The guilty will suffer.
Waiting on you. Mistress, the Furbolgs have succumbed to the forest's corruption. It's as if they've lost themselves to mindless rage.
Their tribe suffered greatly during the Legion's invasion. They cannot be saved.
Say no more. Say no more.
The hunt awaits. As I suspected, their whole race has gone mad. Slay them all! I can wait no longer. I will finish the hunt.
Waiting on you.
Illidan is out there somewhere. We must hurry. Justice will be done.
Waiting on you.
We're wasting time here. Of the goddess Illidan is out there somewhere. We must hurry. The end draws
Waiting
near.
on you.
The hunt awaits. Justice will be done.
Waiting on you.
Now is the time. The end draws near. Now is the time. The Legion's corruption still grips the land. We're wasting time here. Ambush! The satyrs are attacking! Drive the foul brutes back! So, Illidan sent you foul satyrs to slow us down. He must be getting desperate. Justice will be done.
Waiting on you.
Illidan is out
Waiting
there
on you.
somewhere. The guilty will suffer. I will finish the hunt.
Mistress Shadowsong, we're lucky to have found you.
Report.
So ready. My party was attacked by a bloodthirsty wildkin. Apparently, Illidan's passing drove the creature mad. There's no telling how many more innocents it might harm.
This madness must end. We will find the creature and put it down. We must hurry.
Moonlight shines
Waiting
upon
on
the
you.
guilty.
We're
and the
wasting
innocent
time
alike.
here. Illidan's new minions struck here as well. They're bloodthirsty and fearless, whoever they are. Illidan is out there somewhere. Justice will be done. We must hurry.
What is nature's call?
Waiting on you.
We're wasting time here.
How may I serve the goddess?
Point the way. Waiting on you.
Are we being invaded?
We must hurry.
On your mark.
Illidan is out there somewhere.
Your move.
I can wait no longer. That's the creature we're after. Slay it quickly and put it out of its misery. I can wait no
I
longer.
am sworn to avenge.
The hunt
Waiting
awaits.
on you.
The guilty will suffer.
Are we being invaded?
Your move. All too easy.
Justice will be done.
Standing guard.
On your mark.
Hi!
Point the way.
What is nature's call? Is there trouble?
We're wasting time here.
I am the blade of the goddess.
Illidan is out there somewhere. Justice will be done. Now is the time.
The moonlight shines upon the
hunt
guilty
awaits.
and the innocent alike.
I will finish the hunt. Ashal Theradas! We're wasting time here. I can wait no longer. I will finish the hunt. Now is the time.
On your mark. Oh, too easy.
My watchers are ready.
Make it fast.
How may I serve the goddess?
We must hurry.
Waiting on you. Waiting on you.
Is there trouble?
Your move.
We're
Are
wasting
we
time
being
here.
invaded?
The hunt awaits.
I am the blade of the goddess.
Standing guard.
Waiting on you. Done.
Justice will be done.
There, mistress. Those must be the creatures we're after.
Wretched night elves, you are no match for the Naga.
Naga. Many craven races have tempted our wrath over the centuries. None have survived.
Wretched woman, we will retake the surface world and put an end to your vile race once and for all.
We must hurry. The end draws near. The guilty will suffer. Illidan is out there somewhere.
Away.
What is nature's call?
Justice will be done.
Your move. Waiting on you.
We must hurry. The end draws near.
On your mark. Soon.
We're wasting time here. The hunt awaits. For the Watchers. Illidan is out there somewhere. Illidan is out there somewhere. I will finish. These poor folk were slain just like the others. Illidan has much to answer for. He'll wish he were still chained in his cell when I get through with him.
But these wrecks, why would they destroy ships?
I don't know. Wait. He may have taken to the sea. Hurry, sisters. The port of Nendis lies to the north. Perhaps there we can find a ship and set sail after Illidan. The guilty will suffer. I can wait no longer. I will finish the hunt. Now is the time. The guilty will suffer. Illidan is out there somewhere.
On your mark. Waiting on you.
The hunt awaits. The end draws near. I will finish the hunt.
What is nature's call?
Justice will be done. The hunt awaits. We're wasting time here. The guilty will suffer. Now is the time. I can wait no longer. The end draws near. The guilty will suffer. The end draws near. No longer. Now is the time. I will finish the hunt. Now is the time. The guilty will suffer. I can wait no longer. I will finish the hunt. The end draws near. The guilty will suffer. The end draws near. I can wait no longer. Now is the time.
Waiting on you.
Illidan is out there somewhere. I will finish the hunt.
Point the way.
We must hurry. Justice will be done. I can wait no longer. For justice! Justice will be done. We're wasting time here. Now is the time. I will finish the hunt. The guilty will suffer. The end draws near. The guilty will suffer. I will finish the hunt. I can wait no longer. Now is the time.
Waiting on you. Your move. Waiting on you.
The hunt awaits. Illidan is out there somewhere.
Are we being invaded?
We must hurry. The hunt awaits. We're wasting time here. The end draws near. Illidan is out there somewhere.
Waiting on
You
you.
will find justice.
We must hurry. I will finish the hunt. Now is the time. I can wait no longer. The guilty will suffer. The end draws near. Justice will be done. I know. The hunt awaits.
Mistress Shadowsong, thank Elune. A band of satyrs captured the rest of my party. The twisted brutes are holding them in the nearby woods.
We will find them. Now is the time. I can wait no longer.
Night Elf Watchers. I knew there were more of them skulking around out there.
You will release my warriors immediately.
I think not, woman. The Master tires of you.
We're wasting time here.
Is there trouble?
Point the way. Fair enough.
Hi!
Your move.
My watchers are
We
ready.
must hurry.
Speak your mind. Make it fast.
Justice will be done. The hunt awaits.
What is nature's
The
call?
hunt awaits.
Making trails.
We're wasting time here.
Are we being invaded? Gladly. For the trees. I'm game. Making trails.
On your mark.
Justice will be
Is
done.
there trouble?
Point the way. Waiting on you.
Hi! What is nature's
We
call?
must hurry.
Your move.
Illidan is out there somewhere.
I am the blade of the goddess.
Waiting on you.
We must hurry.
Are we being invaded?
Illidan is out there somewhere.
Done. On your mark. Say no more. Point the way. All too easy.
Hi!
Justice will be done. The end draws near. shall thirst us. The
By the
guilty
light of
will
the moon.
suffer. The hunt awaits.
Is there trouble?
We're wasting time here.
What is nature's call?
Waiting on you. Fair enough.
Hi!
Moonlight shines upon the
In
guilty
position.
and
Are we being
innocent
invaded?
alike.
Waiting on you.
We must hurry.
Your move, say no more. On your mark. All too easy. Away.
Illidan is out there somewhere.
Standing guard.
Waiting on you. Your move.
We will find justice.
I am sworn to avenge.
Waiting on you. Say no more.
Is there trouble?
We're wasting time here.
Hi! For the trees.
The hunt awaits.
Is there trouble? Gladly.
We're getting close. I smell something vile upon the wind.
Nature's call.
Justice will be done.
On your mark. Fair enough. Waiting on you. Say no more. Waiting on you.
We're wasting time here. For justice!
How may I serve
Is there
the
trouble?
goddess?
Speak your mind.
The hunt awaits.
Quickly, you fools. The ships must be burned. The Master doesn't wish to be followed.
I cannot allow Illidan to escape again. We must slay those Naga before they burn the ships.
You are too late, little warden. The Master has already set sail for distant shores. However, he wished to thank you for the hospitality you provided during his imprisonment. He asked us to repay you in kind.
You're certainly welcome to try, monster. Justice will be done.
Make it fast.
We must hurry.
What is nature's call?
Illidan is out there somewhere.
Are we being invaded?
Illidan is out there somewhere. We're wasting time here. I can wait no longer.
What is nature's call? I'm game.
We must hurry.
Are we being invaded?
Standing the hunt awaits.
Is there trouble?
I am sworn to revenge. Justice will be done.
Are we being invaded?
We must hurry. Illidan is out there somewhere. I will finish the hunt. The end draws near.
What is nature's call? Making trails. Aim dead center. The hunt is on. Hi! I'm game.
Justice will be done. The hunt awaits. We're wasting time here.
Are we being invaded? Gladly.
We're wasting time here.
What is nature's call? Is there trouble?
Lead the way.
We must hurry. Now is the time.
Mistress, do you believe we can defeat Illidan even if we find him?
Illidan has grown powerful, of that there is no doubt. He consumed the energies of the skull of Gul'dan. Now he is neither night elf nor demon, but something more.
Mistress, why would the Naga harbor so much hatred for us?
We must trust time to reveal all things. Now hurry. Illidan has a considerable lead on us. We must capture him before he causes any more harm.